Imagine being able to generate a complete, high-converting graphic designer portfolio website in minutes, not by designing every section manually, but by using one structured prompt inside ChatGPT. Not just a layout, but an entire website system with a hero section, services, portfolio, testimonials, contact form, and design guidelines ready to build inside Canva. That's exactly what this prompt is designed to do. What you're looking at here is a full stack prompt that generates a scrollable portfolio website from start to finish. Not just sections, but a complete structure optimized to showcase your work and convert visitors into clients. Inside this prompt, there are two types of bracketed elements you need to understand. The first are customizable variables like your name, headline, bio, services, projects, and contact details, which are the only parts you replace. The second are instructional brackets, which guide ChatGPT with structure, layout rules, and design directions so the output stays clean and professional. Starting with the role section, this defines ChatGPT as a professional web designer and Canva AI expert, so it thinks in terms of conversion, not just visuals. The task section then clearly defines the goal of creating a full portfolio website, while the goals section ensures the output focuses on building trust and converting visitors. The variables section makes the prompt reusable, while the design style section controls the overall look with a clean, modern aesthetic, strong white space, and consistent typography. Then comes the structure section, which organizes the entire website, starting with the hero section to grab attention and drive action, followed by the about section to build trust, the services section to clearly present what you offer, and the portfolio section to showcase real results. It continues with skills and testimonials to add credibility, a contact section to make it easy for clients to reach you, social links for visibility, and a final CTA section to push conversions. The footer keeps everything minimal, while extra features like smooth scrolling, animations, and mobile responsiveness make the site feel polished. Finally, the constraints ensure the output is clean, balanced, and ready to paste directly into Canva AI. So when you put everything together, this isn't just a prompt that creates a portfolio layout, it creates an entire portfolio website system that is structured, conversion-focused, and ready to build. And once you understand this, you're no longer guessing your design. You're controlling the outcome from the start. Go to your Canva account and click on Canva AI from the left-hand panel. Paste your prompt into the prompt bar. Activate Canva code, then press enter to generate your website. Let's say your website is already generated. For example, if you created a portfolio, you'll need images to make it more credible and visually appealing. Without images, people might not fully trust the content or feel confident about your work. Before we continue, quick heads up. We're currently giving away free membership access on this channel. As a founding member, you'll get 15 Canva templates every month for free, Plus, you'll have the ability to vote on what content we create next. There are only 20 slots available, so if you're interested, make sure to check that out before they're gone. Here's the important part. You can't directly upload or reference images inside the prompt bar when using Canva code, so instead, you need to host your images somewhere that provides a public link. A simple way to do this is by using Imgur. Create a free account, upload your image, and copy the public link. Once you have that link, go back to your Canva code workspace. Add a new prompt that includes the image link along with clear instructions on where the image should be placed and how it should be styled within your design. For example, you can specify the section, size, alignment, or spacing. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. Then press enter and Canva will update your website by inserting the image based on your instructions. You can repeat this process for multiple images as needed. Just make sure every image you want to use is hosted on a platform that provides a shareable link so Canva can access it properly. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. That's how you add images to Canva code websites and make your designs look more complete and professional. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into customizing your Canva websites and improving their overall layout and performance. So stay tuned if you want to get the most out of Canva code. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.